Unveiling the genetics of Australian Shepherd coat colors. Australian Shepherd genetics and coat colors explain. The Australian Shepherd, often referred to as the Aussie, is a beautiful and intelligent breed of dog with a fascinating genetic makeup. Their unique coat colors have captivated dog enthusiasts worldwide, but what exactly determines these colors? In this article, we will delve into Australian Shepherd genetics and explore the science behind their coat colors. To understand how coat colors are determined in Australian Shepherds, we need to first grasp the concept of genetics. At the most basic level, genes are responsible for passing on traits from one generation to the next. These genes are located on chromosomes, which are present in every living cell of an organism's body. The coat color of an Australian Shepherd is determined by various genes, with two main players being the B locus gene and the E locus gene. The B locus gene determines the distribution of black pigment, while the E locus gene controls the production of color altogether. Let's first examine the B locus gene. This gene has two alleles or variations, the B allele, which produces black pigment, and the B allele, which reduces the production of black pigment. If an Australian Shepherd inherits two B alleles, BB, it will have a solid black coat. However, if an Australian Shepherd inherits two B alleles, BB, the production of black pigment is reduced, resulting in a diluted color known as red or liver. Coat color genetics become more intricate when we look at the E locus gene. This gene has various alleles, including E, and the recessive E to the power of M allele. The E allele allows the expression of black pigment, while the E allele blocks the production of black pigment entirely. The recessive E to the power of M allele is responsible for merle patterns in Australian Shepherds. If an Australian Shepherd inherits at least one E allele, it will produce black pigment. This means if an Australian Shepherd has genotype EE or EE, it will have a solid black coat color. On the other hand, if an Australian Shepherd inherits two E alleles, EE, it will have a coat color without black pigment. This results in a variety of colors such as red, blue merle, red merle, or even tricolor combinations. The merle coat pattern is one of the most distinct and appealing features of the Australian Shepherd breed. Merle is produced when an Australian Shepherd inherits one copy of the E to the power of M allele. When the allele is present, it causes random patches of diluted color within the main coat color. The merle pattern can manifest in various shades, including blue merle, red merle, and even chocolate merle. It is essential to note that breeding two merle Australian Shepherds together is not recommended. When two merle dogs mate, there is a higher chance of producing puppies with a condition called double merle or homozygous merle. These puppies often suffer from vision and hearing impairments, which can significantly impact their quality of life. Aside from the B locus and E locus genes, there are also other genes that influence coat color in Australian Shepherds, such as the D locus gene and the K locus gene. The D locus gene determines whether an Australian Shepherd will have a dilute coat color. The most common variant is the D allele, which produces full pigmentation. The D allele, on the other hand, dilutes the coat color to a lighter shade. The K locus gene, also known as the dominant black gene, determines whether an Australian Shepherd will have a solid black coat or if other patterns will be visible. The dominant variant of this gene, KB, allows for other colors and patterns to be expressed. However, if an Australian Shepherd inherits the recessive variant, KY, it will have a solid black coat. In conclusion, the coat colors of Australian Shepherds are complex and determined by various genetic factors. Genes such as the B locus gene, E locus gene, D locus gene, and K locus gene all play a role in creating the diverse range of colors and patterns observed in this beautiful breed. Understanding these genetic mechanisms not only enhances our appreciation for the stunning coat colors of Australian Shepherds, but also helps responsible breeders make informed decisions for the health and well-being of this remarkable breed.